welcome back to another video. Today we're playing some more microwave dinner. This is episode 5. I think, yeah. Okay, now what we're gonna do here is me and Ayanch, we have enough chicken to go to this area, but Krishna doesn't. So,
407 chicken just to be exact.
Bro, this guy is a sweat, Ayanch.
Actually, though, he's just like I collected every box and every lantern in the cheese pond.
Oh, I went. Look at me. I'm on top. I reached the top. What? Guys, anyway, like and subscribe.
I'm now on the parkour machine. How?
Guys, like and subscribe.
You jump on the blue thing, and then jump again.
I am Spider-Man.
I'm gonna aura fun like the aura fun kid.
Okay, now we three are gonna split up and find chicken so that we can unlock this area.
Bro, you guys find chicken till then I'm gonna complete some achievements. Okay?
Bro, not without us.
But how do you get up?
I'll teach you. Come here. But Ayanch, bro, if you collect achievements, then you have to also teach us how to do those achievements.
Too bad.
You know what? Me and Ayanch are gonna do some achievements, I guess. Or probably not. Okay. Let's not wait. Here, jump onto this ledge.
Which ledge? Something or ledge?
You have to jump, dive, hover, jump, dive. You get up on the ledge.
Jump, dive. What?
See, jump, hover, and then jump, and then keep on jumping, and then you make it up. I don't know what my technique is, but I can make it to the top. Dive. Ugh.
No, I'm not going up there.
Okay. I have almost 300 chicken. What?
Shaggy? Not shaggy, not shaggy, you know?
Chaya? What?
No, it's called time.
Let's go. There's some chicken there.
On the top of a tree. That's so scary. Yeah. It's saying add 3 weird things to the soup.
I think you have to add like. Oh, I found something here. Oh, that's a bad.
I only found one of them. I only found one of the things we have to add.
What is it?
Oh, yeah, guys!
What?
Guys!
What?
Oh my god! Come to the hotel. I'm actually Sigma though. Come to the hotel.
Oh my god! I have so much chicken. Okay, wait.
Come to the hotel, bro. Oh.
I'm coming.
Spider-Man. Look at me. Yeah, guys, come to the hotel.
I'm coming.
Wait. I'm trying to do something important over here. Yeah. Where are you?
I'm here.
I'm fighting. Look at me.
What?
On the road. Dragon. Are you here?
Where?
Come to the staircase. Come in front door. Follow me. Look at me. On the road. Believe I can fly.
How?
I'm Valentine. I'm Sigma. In fact, I can even climb this tree at friend.
Bro, Ayanch, where did you find those ingredients? Tell me, or else you know what's gonna happen.
Okay, see, first ingredient. You go to the ground floor.
Okay. Wait.
Oh, what ingredients?
Where are you?
Kitchen.
Okay.
But what are you doing?
He is telling me how to complete an achievement.
Here. Now you go up here. Without me. Do not do without me because I already have enough chicken. You pick this box up.
Okay.
And keep it.
Wait, let's not do it, Ayanch. Wait.
You do that. Even without me, I'll do this place without you.
Okay, bro, come. Let's go. Stop.
Want to crash to me?
Bro, we're leaving you and completing that hotel area. Okay, peace.
Where is someone?
Me and Ayanch are cooking in the kitchen. Even though
if you do achievement, me PC off.
I did not even do the achievement. Okay. We're gonna unlock the hotel now. 3, 2, 1.
This is made for me. This is made for me. I'm very mature, so like.
Hotel Octo Marino.
Are you sure about the song about us?
Now hiring janitor. She.
Shram. Oh, Shram is so bad.
I'm not bad.
He's doing it. Okay, now hiring janitor. See, front desk.
I would prefer doing. Oh no! Oh wait! I think we can go down here. Let's go.
Okay. I'll clean your like butt.
What is this?
Hola.
Oh wait! I found a ticket, guys. I found a hat ticket.
No, what's a janitor?
Janitor?
He's a janitor. What's a janitor?
Bro, guys, I found a ticket. Where are you?
Oh no! I dropped all the luggage.
Bro, come here. Bro! Stop doing the quest without us, or else I'm not gonna show you this. Nah, I'm not gonna show you.
Where is it?
Bro, this Ayansh.
Where? What is it gonna do?
Drop it in there. Wait, now follow me, guys. Follow me. This way.
Yo, guys, wait, I need some tickets. It's a huge favor. Okay, what is it? You know our janitors.
Come here. Here.
Get that. I know that.
There's a ticket up here.
That's weird. Black button.
I fell. I'm parkour master.
Why did you say half gun? Wait, I found a key. I found a key.
Yeah,
I know that.
What?
What is this?
How did I just fall?
Yo, what is it?
How would you do this?
What do I do now? What? No, do it.
Bro,
Bro,
where are you?
What do we have to do?
Bro, you guys are doing the quest without me.
Bro, we have to clean the janitor stuff.
Oh my god, you know what, bro? You guys are doing the quest without me.
Cleaning up?
You guys are doing the quest without me.
Bro, I'm trying to run. I don't know what to do.
Bro, come. You saw that elevator guy?
Yeah.
Come in.
Come in where?
Come in the elevator area. And then start parkouring.
Oh, what?
You have to do wall hops like this. Like this.
I really am not the best at it.
Yeah, that's what you have to do. But there's a hat ticket up there.
What?
A hat ticket.
Okay, but I can't do it. But bro, let's do the quest.
Wait. If you guys do the quest.
You could get an. I'm nothing. I can do it. How do you even see anything? You can't see it.
How do I even do it?
Look at the plan. Oh! I need to see like this.
This is app. You got it?
Yes!
Huh? You're better than me. Because I can't. It's so hard.
It's not easy.
I know it's pretty easy, but see, you have to stay on one absolute surface for the whole absolute time.
I can't level. I don't connect it.
I just can't do it.
You can't see. Keep your camera like this.
What do you mean by this?
Keep your bot like this.
What do you mean by this?
Look at my screen. Keep your bot like this.
I got it.
Exactly. You should be zoomed in this much. Okay, so
Nah.
when you jump, you can see your character.
Nah. I got it. Let's go. Alright. Now, okay. Wait. Now let's go to the front desk. Hey little robot, I gotta use blah 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 blah.
Wait, who wants to pick? If another half ticket can follow me.
Wait, I want another.
Come to the second floor. Okay. Oh.
Okay.
I opened this door with the red key.
Bro, guys, actually, nah.
I got stuck somewhere. Yeah. Where are you guys? Come to the second floor.
Bro, nah, you.
Guys,
Bro, you guys, nah.
go to the first floor, okay, guys? Use the red key. Get the red key. Come in this room with the guys. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. There's a ticket here too. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here.
Bro, you guys literally.
Open the door. Open the door.
There's a ticket here. I got the ticket. Yeah.
Yeah, but you open the door and get the blue key.
Where's the door?
How do you get inside of this, right? You break it. Oh, you break it?
Now take the blue key.
Now how do you get out of this? Now
Where?
you get the blue key. So you got the hard ticket, right?
Yeah.
Now where's the blue key, guys? I know the location to like.
Bro, it's in the third floor. Come to the third floor.
Oh, I found the blue ticket.
Another one.
I think it's here.
No, it's in the second floor.
Bed.
One is in the second
How do you
floor.
go inside?
Double jump and get.
You break it. Guys,
You gotta crouch.
I do not know if I should have came here myself.
I'm coming with you. Ah, okay, nice green key.
Oh my god. This is the room you cannot go inside it.
What? Bro!
Oh yeah. Bro, try me come in the bed. This is absolutely sick.
Bro, I'm doing some parkour.
I found a yellow key.
What is this? Is this hello neighbor or something? Is this hello neighbor or something, bro?
No, wait.
Bro, Krishna, what are you doing right now?
There is no. Ah, it's so good.
Bro, what are you doing right now?
It's so good. Oh, okay. I'll teach you guys. Come.
Bro, where are you? Where does the yellow key go?
I'm coming, okay?
Where?
Wait, what's the blue key doing?
Where does the yellow key go?
It's in the second floor. Guys,
Where?
go to the third floor if you want.
Wait. Where? I don't see any door unlockable. Dude, where? Nah.
You got the green key, right?
Bro, now you guys bro, Ayanj, tell.
Where are you?
I'm in the second floor.
Here, I'm here. Where are you?
Where is here?
I'm near the stairs. Yeah, guys. Where is the green key exactly go? Down.
I see you. Now what? Now where?
Come here, Shram. Yellow key. Drop that thing.
Bro, chill. I need to unlock the yellow key. Door.
Bro, there's nothing over here. Are you sure you want to do that or do you want to do something else?
What do you have in your hand now?
You know, there's a bush that you can go inside.
Is that a green?
Can't use the green.
That's because that's a yellow door.
Oh, where's the green door?
It's downstairs.
Down in the first floor.
Okay, now we go to the janitor's closet.
Wait, who got the hard ticket? Go here. Okay, Shaman, go in here. You know this room that you cannot go inside?
Yeah.
This room takes you there. Okay, we have to take.
What is it? Oh yeah.
We have to take these things.
I know. I saw this in the achievement.
I had to put it in the water.
Bro, this is so cool. Wait, what does it give us though?
But I
It gives a hat ticket?
It will give you stars to buy paint.
No, it gives us 2 star points. You know what a star point does? Do you know what it does? It can give you a new color for your robot.
Wait, how do we get this?
I'll tell you.
Right now I'm just throwing these things inside.
Yeah, even I.
You have to throw all these inside.
I'm building a bridge. I'm building a bridge using these things. I'm building a bridge, bro. A bridge where you can walk on water. Oh, okay, this one sank. This is gonna take a long time, I guess.
Yo, guys, look at me. Look how funny this one.
Ah, bro's floating.
Look at me.
I know you're floating. Whoa!
Wait, Shravan, if you watch Michael Jackson, you know Michael Jackson.
Bro's floating on water.
Remember?
Wait, which one? The moonwalk?
No, you know the small thing.
I now watch it though.
Okay, there's a step where it like it goes all the way. It tilts itself.
Oh yeah, that one, that one. I know that one.
Yeah. And I did the move.
Almost done. Just like
Same.
10 more.
Like me. Bro, are you guys on? I think
Bro, we're still
7
doing.
pieces left.
I have like more than Ayansh.
Yeah, same. It's not getting over.
There's too much.
I have, yeah. Now it's exactly 5.
5?
We have to do this one.
Oh wait, guys, okay. Yeah, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Oh no, I'm cooked. Bro, no way. The phone just shut down. Oh shit. Oh no. Guys, I think winning this puzzle right now. I'll be back. I'll be back. 1 minute. Just guys, wait. 1 minute. Guys, we're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. Just technical difficulties. Technical difficulties. Yep. Back. Bro, invite me to the call again, yeah.
Can you cut this call?
Huh?
Can you cut this call?
Okay. We're almost done, isn't? We're almost done. We're almost done. We're literally almost done. We're almost done with this. Just two more. Just one. Just a little bit more. Pop. Dive. One more. Let's go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. No! Did it? Yes! We did it, guys. We did it. We did it. Let's go. Now, where do we have to go? I think I'm gonna end the video right here, I guess. I think I'm gonna end the video right here. Probably not. Let me see. Now let's go back. Wait, how do you go back? How do you escape? This is? Okay. Oh, oh, oh my god. Okay. I'm stuck outside, I guess. But bro, that was pretty good. Let's go. Now, before we do the actual quest, we completed most of the achievements here. Actually, look at this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 left. 4 left. This one we can do easily. Spring cleaning with cleaning supplies. Okay, let's go. Where's the cleaning supplies? I think it's inside here. Bop, bop. Yeah, I found it. I found it. Okay, now what? One more. Pool rafters. I have a feeling it's like upstairs ish. Yeah, and now we go down. It's in the pool room for sure. It says it's in the pool room. Let's go down to the pool room. Now we crouch. Bro, yeah, hello. Huh? I could not call for some reason.
Can you add
To the group.
Yeah. I mean, that's what you can do. So anything you can do it.
Okay. Okay, wait 1 minute. Wait. Oh, wait. Oh, shoot. I picked that. Go. Not fast. Ooh.
It's so hard. Yes. Yes.
I'm
All I use it.
Wait. I can't add him. Wait 1 minute. Wait, should we end the video right here?
No. Why?
I don't know. Should we?
The microwave.
We can do it in the next episode. This video is already way too long.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we can.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, guys, we will see you in the next episode. In episode 6, I believe. Yeah. So this is we're gonna be completing the whole first world in 10 episodes, I think, or not. But
Definitely not.
okay, not 10 episodes, but like I think there's gonna be like 11 to 12 episodes. But, anyways, see you later. We'll see you in the next episode. Peace.